Hi, my name is Erwin. Welcome to the Carts Plus showroom here in Kelowna. I'd like to introduce you to the EZGO Express 4. This is a PTV, a personal transportation vehicle, more heavy duty than a golf cart and with more features. Features a lifted platform for the frame, auto lock park brake. We have a full lighting system. We come into turn signals. We have hazard lights, and we have a horn. Around the front, we have LED headlights, signal lights, marker lights, a full brush guard, 14-inch radial tires for a smoother ride. I'm going to introduce you to a new feature called the Intelligauge. Tells you your state of charge, allows you to personalize the use of your vehicle with a touch. You can set the speed, you can set the acceleration, you can set the performance and check the battery life and diagnostics of the vehicle, all done with a touch screen. We'll have a link on our website so you can read more about this. The drivetrain features a Samsung lithium battery. This is an 8-year warranty battery, designed to be maintenance-free. You can park this vehicle in the fall and come back in the spring. You don't have to charge it over the winter months, and it'll be ready to go for you. Two-tone seating makes it stylish. Comes with a flip-down rear deck, complete with a storage compartment, which doubles as a cooler. Here's the best part. It's $2,000 less than our regular golf cars. These are specially priced for resort living and for resort community travel. So come in and see one of these in our Carts Plus showroom, and thanks for joining us today.